Hi folks, Brendan here from Advanced Radio, and I'm going to show you how to set up your new SF10 Pro with a Jeti Central Box. The setup is incredibly simple. It is about as plug and play as you can get. What you do is you've got your central box set up here. I've got my dual battery redundancy plugged in. I'm running off two 6400s, and I've got dual receivers plugged into my central box. So now my central box is up and running. You can also run a 900 megahertz into the R3 port, and you'll have triple redundancy with your central box. Just to prove it, we'll go into our menu, we'll go into our model, device explorer, and you can see if I scroll down here, I've got my central box menu there as well, where I can adjust my central box outputs as well as telemetry and other such things. Now, the installation of the SF10 Pro, you can install in one of two ways. And I've actually done sort of a mixture of both in this video. So we've got our SF10 Pro here, we've got our screen plugged in, we've got our power cable plugged in here, and we've got our receiver plugs into P1 and P2. Now, either you can go directly into a receiver, like I've got this one, into the REX3, or you can go into the central box itself, into one of the E ports. It's entirely up to you. To power the SF10 Pro, you can plug your power input into any two unused channels. This provides enough power into the SF10 Pro that you can use up to 10 servo outputs. All of these cables are provided in with the SF10 Pro, so the connection could not be simpler. Once we plug in the SF10 Pro, the system will automatically find the protocol, and if I lift up the screen there, you can probably see it says Jeti EX Bus here. If I go into my screen and my input monitor and I move my sticks, you can actually see on this mode 1 transmitter that everything is moving. Now, we haven't done the gyro setup yet. This is just a basic setup guide. A couple of cool features with this sort of setup is we have 15 channels on this, or up to 15 channels on the central box, and we have an extra 10 channels on the SF10 Pro. That actually gives you 25 potential channels or servo outputs. The reason is because on the SF10 Pro you can route 1 to 10 here. It's always 1 to 10 from the radio. So no matter what I do in the radio, this will always be routed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all the way up to 10. On the central box you can actually adjust the servos to different outputs. So if I go into servo output mapping here, pin 1, which would be this one, is routed to my channel 16 router 2, meaning 16 or channel 16 from the radio, if I plugged a servo into SO1, would actually be a routing from channel 16 to channel 1 on here, meaning that you can actually expand the servo outputs on the SF10 Pro and the central box 200 or 210 or 220, so you can get a maximum of 15 channels out of the central box and 10 channels out of the SF10 Pro, giving you a total of 25 channels. So if you've got a DS24 radio like I have here, you can actually use all 24 channels. The setup is that simple, guys. If you want to add an SF10 Pro to your new central box, you can check it out at boomerrc.com. Or if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, or head to our Facebook page for more information. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.
Thanks for watching that video. If you liked what you saw and want more information, you can head over to our website boomerrc.com, or for the US site us.boomerrc.com. If you want more videos, you can check out our Facebook page, Advanced Radio, or you can head over to our YouTube channel, Rick Gel Boomer RC. Thanks guys, and stay tuned for more videos.